Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open the Slide Master now and select the topmost master slide. This is the single place that controls every layout. You do this because changing the master updates all slides at once rather than one by one. Once selected, focus on the placeholders that contain text, title, body, footer, so your edits propagate. Make sure to keep a duplicate file or save a version before big changes. This prevents accidental formatting losses and lets you test changes safely. With the master slide chosen, click a text placeholder and either select the text or keep the placeholder selected to change its default. Use the Home ribbon to pick a font size or open format shape for exact size and spacing control. Once done, repeat for title and body placeholders so hierarchy is consistent across slides. Make sure to check different layouts under the master to cover notes, content, and captions. This ensures every slide type inherits your new sizes. Close Slide Master to apply changes. PowerPoint will update all slides that use those layouts automatically. You should scan several representative slides to confirm sizes, watch for text overflow, and verify readability on screen. If text runs out of space, reduce the font slightly or adjust line spacing and placeholder margins. If changes don't apply, confirm slides are using the updated layout. Otherwise, reapply the layout to those slides. A quick tip: use replace fonts only when you need a global typeface swap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.